welcome at Broetje-Automation here in Germany. My name is Lutz Neugebauer. I'm the CEO of the Broetje-Automation Group.
We deliver robotic solutions from cobots to large-scale robots like our power race.
Operational excellence is a must-have for our daily operations and for the development of the company. We, as an integrator, providing the full scope of equipment and services to you as a customer in the aerospace industry.
Our factory of the future is a mobile solution. We have a lot of moving devices like robotic systems which will produce the aircraft.
Own service offices around the world, we're providing for our customers constantly a 24-hour service. Cybersecurity is one of our most important topics. We are supporting strictly the demands of customers to make sure that we are in safe operation in the IT environment. We are safe. We are supporting the transnational development of the company. For example, with our project management in critical chain mode, we are developing the company and developing also our suppliers everywhere.